The new Bose Quiet Comfort. This is definitely a treat. I cannot wait to open this package and listen to these. So curious about what Bose prepared for us in this iteration, the newest one of their flagship headphone. So let's try and figure out, I'm tearing it already. Let's try and figure out how to get into these. There we go. There's the box. Very nice. Press play, pause the rest. That means once you start listening to our headphones, you will not want to do anything else. Very nice packaging so far. I like this. Very nice looking case. This is leather-ish like material. It's kind of like leatherette maybe. It's not, doesn't really feel like leather, but it feels good. Let's unzip. And here they are. Looking sleek, techy, and beautiful. All right. Nice and soft ear cups. Nice and soft padding for the head arch. They extend to fit my large head. Very easy. I love it. Here are the controls. The first impression is very, very good, guys. But it will all depend on what the sound is. The sound signature and the sound quality are always the most important for me. So I'm gonna turn them on, pair them, and report back in the rest of this video what I think about the sound quality.